This is going to be the simplest guide to doing meditation. I don't know how others do it. For that, you have many videos on YouTube with millions of views. They will tell you what to do in details. But I am going to tell you what I do, and it's just that I'm not going to make it look simple or anything. This is already very simple. Step 1. Sit. Just sit anywhere you like, any way you like. Step 2. Sit calmly, no talking, just close your mouth. Step 3. Close your eyes. That's it. You have successfully learned how to meditate. Wait, there's more. Bonus step. Just be aware and conscious about your surroundings, your body, your mind, your world, your thoughts, and finally the life that you are and the life that is surrounding you. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet you soon.